Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sylvia here, and in today's video we are going to be talking about moringa for hair growth. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome. Join the family for more hair growth tips. On this channel we do everything homemade hair growth product. I am a strong believer in herbs, so guys, on this channel I try to bring you all the herbs that will help you to grow your hair naturally without actually spending a penny. And today I'm going to be teaching you moringa, how to do moringa for hair growth. So if you are in Ghana, the moringa is everywhere. Let me talk for Ghana because that is where I am, and I know moringa is almost everywhere in Ghana. But then if you're not in Ghana, you can get the moringa powder and use it as a tea or a mask, hair mask. But then if you're in Ghana, you can grab the tree everywhere. It's everywhere. You can just grab some few leaves and follow this step and do what I'm going to do. To get the leaves, you can use it as I'm going to use it, or you can just do some tea and drink. It's very good, you can drink it too, but this one I'm going to use it as a hair rinse. Moringa is loaded with nutrients like vitamin A, B, C and E. It has iron and zinc and some essential amino acids which are very valuable to your hair. These herbs are very rich in amino acid and very complete chlorophyll. All these minerals are very good for massive hair growth. In this video, I just use it as a pre-poo. I grabbed some vinegar to wash it very well because I don't want to put dirt on my hair. So I just want to be sure I'm washing it very clean. If you are living outside Ghana, you can grab the powder and use it as a hair mask, or you can still use it as a tea. You can do it this way and wash it to rinse your hair. And the mask also, where you can use it as oil and use it to massage your hair every day. If your hair is very stubborn and you've tried all the herbs, it's not working, I think moringa should be your last stop because it works for all hair types. If you also have problem with dandruff, itching scalp, dry scalp, you should try moringa. Moringa is very good. Get it and say bye to all your hair problem and grow your hair long and very strong. Guys, moringa is not only good for the hair, it's also good for our skin. So if you have the powder, just use it as a mask, face mask for some 30 minutes and see the difference. It's really good. You can use it as tea. It also reduces high blood pressure, so you can use it as tea when you have problem with high blood pressure. You can just use it and say bye bye to your problem. So this herb is actually very good. If you've never seen the tree before, this is how the tree looks like. This is a moringa tree. In Africa, it's almost everywhere, but if you're outside Africa, please get the powder somewhere. So in this video, I cook the herbs, I cook the leaves and use the water. So after cooking it, you don't have to throw the leaves away, but me, I threw it away because it's everywhere, so I can just grab another one another day. So this is me cooking the leaves. So this is our moringa water, moringa tea. So you can actually drink it, but I didn't drink it. I use it on my hair. So if you have high blood pressure, you can drink it. Me, I'm going to use it on my hair because I want it for my hair. So guys, this is how our moringa water is looking. I went straight ahead and used it for my hair. I used it as a pre-poo, waited for about 30 minutes, then I went to wash my hair. So fam, like I said, if you don't want the tea, if you don't want this water, you can do the oil or the mask, and they are also very effective. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and if you've watched to the end, don't forget to give it a thumb up and leave a comment. If you ever used moringa product before, whether the leaf, the powder, the oil, if you've ever used it before, let us know in the comment section and let us know where you use it for and how it works. This leaf is actually very effective. It does a lot of things. So this is the amount of hair I lost after I use it as a pre-poo. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye. See you next week.